To mail your federal income tax forms for 2025, follow these steps. First, ensure you have completed the correct tax form, which can be found on the IRS website or obtained from your local IRS office. The most common forms are Form 1040, Form 1040A, and Form 1040EZ. Next, make a copy of your completed tax form for your records. Then, address an envelope to the correct IRS mailing address, which depends on your state of residence and the type of tax form you are filing. You can find the mailing addresses on the IRS website or in the instructions for your tax form. For example, if you live in California and are filing Form 1040, you would mail your tax form to the Fresno Service Center. If you are filing from a different state, you would mail it to a different service center. It is essential to use the correct mailing address to avoid delays in processing your tax return. Once you have addressed the envelope, affix the correct postage and mail your tax form. You can also use certified mail or a trackable shipping method to confirm delivery of your tax form. In addition to mailing your tax form, you can also e-file your taxes, which is a faster and more secure method. To e-file, you will need to use tax software or hire a tax professional. E-filing allows you to receive your refund faster and reduces the risk of errors on your tax form. Best practices for mailing your federal income tax forms include making a copy of your tax form, using the correct mailing address, and affixing the correct postage. It is also essential to mail your tax form on time to avoid penalties and interest. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure that your federal income tax forms are mailed correctly and processed efficiently. Remember to always use the correct mailing address and to make a copy of your tax form for your records. If you are unsure about any part of the process, you can visit the IRS website or consult with a tax professional for assistance.